Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 screen won't turn off issue. So guys, if your iPhone 15's display refuses to sleep, you are in the right place. Let's dive into some simple solution to help your iPhone rest easy. First of all, you have to do simply check your always on display settings. Head to the settings, then tap on display and brightness. After this, then you have to do is then you have to do is simply open your always on display and check if it's enable or disable. If it's enabled, then you have to do is simply disable it. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Next step is attention awareness feature. You have to go to your settings, then go to face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. After this, scroll down and you can see your option require attention awareness feature. If you have enabled this, then you have to disable it. These features keep the screen on when they detect you're looking at it, which can sometimes get confused. So guys, after this, then you have to do is check your raise to wake settings. You have to go to your settings again, then open display and brightness, scroll down and you can see your option raise to wake. If you have to enable this, you have to disable this. This this feature wakes the screen when you lift your phone, potentially causing accidental activation. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Make sure you are running the latest iOS version, as updated often address bugs. So you have to open your general, tap on software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. If nothing else works, try resetting all settings to their default values. This won't erase your data, but it might solve stubborn software issues. You have to head to your settings, go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.